local Winter Haven spot. So here's our Manitowoc Ice Machine. Complaint was not getting enough water. It's going to be the prime suspect, especially whenever the installation date is not labeled. Open her up. Oh, pretty dirty. Could use good maintenance. But here's the most interesting part of the whole thing. Gotta take a leak, right? Hell yeah. Let's see if I can zoom in enough, but this has a weird failure. It's hard to get it to focus. Look at that. I've never seen something like that before. That's crazy. Doesn't want to focus, but look, there's a pinhole in the side of that damn circulator pump. How much it affects service and production, I have no idea, but that is a funky little failure.